Today, let's discuss about this question from SMO 2021 Senior section, question 22. Find the number of real solution xy of the system of equation x cubed plus y cubed plus y squared equals to 0 and x squared plus x squared y plus xy squared equals to 0. This is not a very difficult question. You may try to work on it and look at the answer after that.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Now, it is obvious that x equals y equals to 0 is one of the solutions, but we wish to find more than that. So, let's say this is equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 2, we can factorize it as x plus xy plus y squared equals to 0. So from this, we can have x equals to 0 or x plus xy plus y squared equals to 0. If x equals to 0, from 1, y cubed plus y squared equals to 0. Y squared, y plus 1 equals to 0, y equals to 0 or y equals to negative 1. So from this itself, we know that xy can be equals to 0, 0 or 0, negative 1. We have two solutions here. Now, more interesting part is from here. X plus xy plus y squared equals to 0. We can get the x in terms of y and sub into the equation 1 and solve from there. But there is one nice observation here, that is, this is x 1 plus y squared equals to 0. Say this is equation 3. And from equation 1, x cubed plus y squared 1 plus y equals to 0. This is equation 1. I will write the equation 1 here. Now we can see that they are the common factor 1 plus y. So in order to eliminate this term, we can multiply 3 by y squared and multiply with 1 by x. Then take the difference. So the term in 1 plus y will be disappear. So now we want to take 3 times y squared minus 1 times x. So times y squared times y squared. So this will be y to the power 4. And for this times x times x. So these two will disappear. It will be x4 equals to 0. This can be factorized. Y squared minus x squared. Y squared plus x squared equals to 0. We are going to consider only real solution. And therefore, this is not possible unless x equals to y equals to 0. But we already have the answer here. We can reject this, and what we have is y squared minus x squared equals to 0. So this is y minus x, y plus x equals to 0. Y equals to x or y equals to negative x. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If y equals to x, from 1, this will be 2y cubed plus y squared equals to 0. And since we do not want y equals to x equals to 0, we do not want it to be 0, so we can divide y squared, so we have 2y plus 1 equals to 0, so y equals to negative half. So in this case, y equals to x equals to negative half will be one of the solutions. What happens if y equals to negative x? Also not equals to 0. So from here, again, this will cancel off, and we have y squared equals to 0. And in this case, there's no solution because y cannot be equal to 0. And therefore, from this part itself, we have only xy equals to negative half and negative half. So there are a total of 3 solutions. Xy equals to 0, 0, 0, negative 1, and negative half, negative half. If you're curious about how the graph of this equation look like, it is something like this. And there are 3 intersecting points. That's all for today's short discussion. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.